Okay guys, today we're going to show you how to do Larb Tofu. Okay, so now it's over to Pi Sar.
วันนี้ก็มาทำลาบเต้าหู้นะครับมารีวิวลาบเต้าหู้ร้านพี่ตู่ครับก็ใครเพื่อนฝูงก็มาแวะหากันได้ครับnumber one okay.
So today we've got a lot of ingredients for the Larb Tofu. Toasted large sweet chilli, lime wedges, sliced shallots, sliced Kaffir lime leaves, fresh mint, sliced spring onion and coriander, chilli powder, toasted sticky rice, deep fried tofu, fish sauce or light soy sauce for vegan. Now we're going to toast the raw sticky rice. And here's one Khao Khua.
Khao Khua.
Oh man, that big. The smell is like like popcorn. Well, it's really amazing. Be careful, don't burn it. So this is what you want to do. You want to toast it until it smells like popcorn. Now we're going to pound the toasted sticky rice in a pestle and mortar.
วันนี้มารีวิวการทำลาบเต้าหู้ตำข้าวคั่วก่อนพอข้าวคั่วเราหมดพอดี
If you don't have a pestle and mortar, you could use a seed grinder or a coffee grinder, but a pestle and mortar is the best option. Now we're going to deep fry the tofu until it's crisp and golden. Right, let's mix these lovely ingredients together. Okay, when doing a larb tofu, really I use a bit less sauce, just otherwise you don't want to make the tofu soggy. But if you're doing this with minced chicken or minced beef, duck, anything like that, you could add more sauce. All right.
There's a clear blue sky above the dark clouds. Skies are limitless where the light shine upon the light. Can you see the butterfly flying across the rising sun? Can you feel the light of life just reborn inside you? 空は無限で垣根はない。空は無限で垣根はない。You can fly, higher you can fly, you can fly.
ไอ้นี่คือลาบเต้าหู้ครับเป็นอาหารมังสวิรัติหน้าตาก็จะออกมาทำนองนี้นะครับจากร้านอาหารพี่ตู่ครับ